Okay, let me try to show somebody something. BODMAS is a mathematical term. Is that true now?
Yes, sir.
So BODMAS means brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So when you talk to somebody who's a mathematician and you say BODMAS, does the person understand? Yes. Now, if you go to somebody who is holding a degree in linguistics and you say BODMAS, that person will say to you, that is not an English word. That is not an English word. In other words, that thing is actually an alien term. You can't use it when you speak English. Are you here? In other words, the things that are relevant for maths, they are not relevant for English. The things that are relevant for mathematics are not relevant for what? For English. So what do I mean by that? I mean the things, the solutions you are applying to solve human problems, you can't use the same solutions to solve demonic problems. You cannot. You can't even use the instruments that you are using to solve demonic problems to be able to solve divine problems. You can't. Now I want to show you something. If there is a divine problem and you use human solutions, your solution is futile. It has lost power. You use demonic solutions to demonic problems, that solution still is immaterial. It has lost power. Amen. You see that? So what we need more than ever is classical solutions. Now, whatever we are going to discuss here today, we have a primary condition that somebody seated here with a problem.